Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in Snapedit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove the background in Snapedit, you just simply have to open your Snapedit application at very first. Then, after opening the application, Snapedit will show you this home page. Now, in order to remove the background, just simply select this remove background option and choose any of the image where you want to remove the background. Then after that, it will show you a short ad, and after removing the ad, it will automatically erase the background from your photo. Now you can restore if it's mistakenly removed the parts that you don't want to remove into your photo. In order to do that, just simply tap to restore and manually select the area which you want to restore or which you don't want to. Then after doing that, your background will successfully be erased. This way you can easily remove background in Snapedit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.